If you've just booked a Calendly meeting and you're wondering how to actually join it, this video will walk you through the entire process step by step. It's quick, simple, and once you know where to look, it takes just a few seconds to get into your meeting. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like, and make sure you subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Now let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is open the confirmation email that was sent after the meeting was booked. This is very important because the join meeting button is usually sent to the invitee, meaning the person attending the meeting, not the host inside the Calendly account itself. So if you're looking in the wrong inbox, you might think something is missing when it's actually just in the confirmation message. Once you find that email, take a close look for the join meeting button. Depending on the meeting setup, this may appear inside the email body near the meeting details. It's usually placed clearly so you can access the meeting with just one click. If you don't see it right away, scroll through the message carefully and check the full email content. When you locate the Join Meeting button, click it. This will take you to the meeting link that was connected to your Calendly booking. In many cases, this will open Zoom or another default meeting app that was selected when the meeting was scheduled. If your browser asks for permission to open the app, go ahead and allow it. That's completely normal and required to launch the meeting properly. After that, you may see a prompt from Zoom or your meeting app asking you to confirm that you want to join. At this point, simply click Join to enter the meeting room. If the meeting hasn't started yet, you may be placed in a waiting room until the host admits you. That depends on how the meeting was configured, but either way, following these steps gets you into the session. If you cannot find the confirmation email, don't panic. The first thing to check is your spam or junk folder because automated emails sometimes end up there by mistake. Also, make sure you're checking the correct email address. Since the Join Meeting button is sent to the invitee's email address, you need to look in the inbox that was used when the meeting was booked, and that's all there is to it. Open the confirmation email, find the Join Meeting button, click it, allow your meeting app to open if needed, and then click Join to enter the meeting. It's a simple process once you know where everything is. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.